Welcome to another episode of Jumpin In The Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today we are returning to the Thanksgiving menu. And this is what's going to be jumping in my pot: Southern baked macaroni and cheese. Let's get to it. These are the ingredients we will be using: Monterey Jack cheese, mozzarella cheese, sharp cheddar cheese, mild cheddar cheese, evaporated milk, melted butter, half and half. I have in this cup here, I have garlic powder, onion powder, salt, black pepper, smoked paprika, elbow macaroni, eggs. Well, I wanted to let you know that I already cooked the macaroni. All you have to do is whatever brand you're buying, follow the direction on the back of the box or package. Now, in this bowl, I have the half and half and the evaporated milk. We are going to take a whisk first, and I'm going to add the eggs to the bowl. And we're going to whisk this up together. Then we're going to add the seasonings. Going to whisk everything up. Paprika. Black pepper. Now, after we totally whisk everything together, we're going to set this milk mixture to the side and move on to the next step. This is the casserole dish I'm using, and I have some butter here, and we're going to grease the bowl with the butter. Now we're going to add the cheeses to the milk mixture. We're going to whisk all this up together. Now we're going to add the macaroni to the casserole dish. Then we're going to add the butter. And pour in the cheese mixture. I mixed everything together good. Now we're going to sprinkle the shredded cheddar cheese and Monterey Jack over the top. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. Then we're going to cover it up and pop it in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes. I have my oven set to 350 degrees. Here you have it, Southern baked macaroni and cheese. Enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and X. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.